So this is the original body key for red that I got with the car. Although having said that, it's not original because that brand is not original equipment. Who knows what happened to the original key? I just so happened to run into a locksmith when I was at a friend's workshop, and he took one look at this key and said, "Mate, you need to stop using that key and get a new one cut immediately because it's very worn." And so that's what I did. All I did was scan this key at 600 dpi with a measurement rule in the image for reference, and emailed him the high resolution image. And with nothing else whatsoever, he created a new set of keys for me. And let's go see how they work. Impressively, I got 2 brand new keys cut by a photo alone of my original key. And they just fit and work the first time. That's impressive workmanship. Something the lock-picking lawyer would be proud of.